Here are 4 elements of a great virtual tour. Key element number 1 is no weird fisheye effect. The fisheye effect tends to make viewers nauseous, so it's important that you find a vendor that can limit this effect in your tour. Key element number 2 is that your tour must be fast loading. Spherical imagery and video typically means a larger file size. It's important that you give your tour fast loading time by keeping the file as small as possible. The third key element is that your tour must have interactive capability. Your virtual tour exists to increase sales. It's important that you use it as a marketing tool by featuring your branding and several lead capture methods. The final key element is that your virtual tour must be shareable and social. Your business should be in front of viewers wherever they spend their time. These days, that means you should be able to share your virtual tour on all the social media sites. These may seem like basic ideas. We're constantly amazed at how often people will throw together a tour from a cell phone and expect them to get the new clients instantly. You gotta remember that your virtual tour is a reflection of your business and the service you provide. So keep these tips in mind when thinking about your marketing efforts and your business. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. For more information, call Pro Quality Imaging at 513-571-3861.